Hello, everyone. My name is Emmanuel. I'm a developer advocate for techFiesta. And today, the 27th of September, is the Gnosis chain demo day. And this marked the end of the hackathon. And for the past 3 weeks, we've had, hackers putting up their creativity, using their skills to innovate on the Gnosis chain, blockchain protocol. And it has been an interesting one. There's been 3 weeks of hacking for the guys, and we've seen innovative submissions. We had over 10 submissions, 16 to be very precise. And we could say we're very, very impressed. We had 18 submissions. Yes, we have 18 submissions. Um, and we are very, very impressed about these submissions. So I would just, allow Philip to take the microphone and, just have a conversation. Then we'll talk about the winners and, follow through with what we have on the agenda today.
All right, welcome everybody. Thanks, Emmanuel. Are we ready to announce the winners already right now?
So Philip, maybe before we announce the winners, I'm sorry, my internet is not very good. I hope you can hear me. Before we announce the winners, Philip, maybe you can tell us, what did you think about the submissions? How was the whole process for you? Tell us, how was your experience?
Sure. So we're very happy to have had 18 submissions, and a lot of those very interesting projects. We will have 3 prizes, 3 winners. Sadly, only 3 prizes, right? Because there's a lot of very interesting projects, and for the projects we liked, we will also contact each one of them and see how we can help for their project or for any future project they or their team is building. And yeah, I think it's very interesting to see like a very diverse crowd in this hackathon. Things a little bit different from the offline hackathons that we usually have. Just last week we had one, the hackathon, the East Global Hackathon in New York. But this online hackathon is certainly different and very interesting. Do you have any other questions, Maria? Otherwise, I'm already excited to announce the winners.
Very good, very good. Okay, so let's announce the winners. Drum roll.
All right,
Go, Philip.
We have 3 prizes, right? And there's a third, a second, and a first place. So why don't we start with the third one? So the third bounty goes to Event Connect. Event Connect was very interesting. I'll just say one sentence. I think we also have more information later. But Event Connect is basically an event management project, which basically makes use of POAP, but also of IPFS and LivePeer. And you can basically host, it's focused on education, so you can host educational events, also other events, online events, and reward participants with POAP NFTs. There's much more to it, but that's, I think, the short summary, and I think we're very excited about it because for sure it makes specific use of those Gnosis ecosystem projects like POAP, and it mixes different projects for a real world use case, right? Education. That's the third prize. Are we ready for the second bounty? The second.
Yes, we're ready.
The second prize goes to, and I'm not sure how to say this, but Verxio Protocol. VERXIO. And Verxio is a interesting project because it is a privacy project. So it takes an idea of Vitalik around stealth addresses for users to, well, enhance privacy and already has a lot of ideas of how to develop this further. But I would say, yeah, interesting because it's also a real world use case. It is something that people can actually benefit from. Congratulations to winning the second bounty. And then the first prize and the overall winner. Drum roll. The first prize goes to the project called RainFi. And RainFi, congratulations, is a project, a decentralized savings app, which builds on top of Monerium, also a project of the Gnosis ecosystem. It is, it gives users the ability to directly convert their euro or USD and a British pound to stable coins on top of Gnosis chain. And on top of that, the RainFi app allows you to lock in your funds as a way to force yourself to save money. And there's much more to it, but I think we'll see so later. Very interesting project. Guess we were excited about like the use of the technology, but also like the very real benefits for users. And I think there's a big potential for that, for this project to be developed further. And also excited for, again, all three projects to connect later and help wherever we can. Again, congratulations to all three projects.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Philip. I also think the winner is an amazing idea. I met the founder of Monerium in Berlin 2 weeks ago, so I'm sure he will be also very excited to see this project and how his technology comes to life with this project. This is really great that this participant really made use of that, and I think Monerium is a relatively new project on Gnosis, right? It was recently in the press, so it is very, very exciting. Thank you so much for announcing the winners. Let's see, are the winners here in the call? Can you raise your hands? It will be a pity if we don't have the winners in the call.
That's again Project RainFi, Works.io protocol, and Event Connect.
Okay, Donatos, which project is yours?
Works.io protocol.
Okay, very cool. Congratulations. Anyone else from the winners here?
Okay, my project is the Works.io protocol.
Very cool. Congratulations, Donatos. Oh, Alphaki is here.
I'm
Event
here.
Connect. Congratulations. Yeah. I'm clapping. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. And I also want to send in my GitHub. So Git back. I really appreciate.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think we just have another one joining. Just got in. So we just announced the winners, and the first prize was RainFi. And I think we just had somebody join who worked on this project.
Do you recognize them, Philip? Did they? Yeah, congratulations. You are the winners. Congratulations. Yes, yes. Amazing project. Amazing project. Amazing use of Monerium. Very good. Right. So guys, we have prepared the videos, the demo videos to show of two of the projects, because one of the projects had their video private. Which project was that, Philip, that had a private video? Maybe we can ask them if it's okay for them to share the video, or maybe we shouldn't share
Yep.
it.
That was the Event Connect.
Okay, Event Connect, are you okay with us
That's
sharing the
okay.
video?
That's okay, Jill.
Okay. The videos are, I don't know, we have, I think, one 5-minute video, one 7-minute video, and one, I don't know if Event Connect, how long their video is. So maybe I don't know if we want to live stream this, or we also asked for a 1-minute video yesterday, but I don't know if these projects submitted a 1-minute video. Maybe Emmanuel, you can help me out with that.
So they didn't submit the 1-minute video. What was submitted was the same one we found in their repository, the GitHub repository. So it's the same video. Yeah.
Okay, is it a way to speed up the video when we are streaming it, so we don't spend
Yeah.
like 7 minutes watching
Yeah.
it? Maybe speed it up.
Yeah.
Oh, Rainfi submitted a minute video. All right, perfect.
submitted
So
a
should we
minute
start
video.
with that, with the #1 winner, basically?
Okay, so let me start with them that.
All right.
So 1 minute.
And after we watched, okay, Verxio also submitted a 1-minute video, I see here. Perfect.
Okay.
Guys, maybe for simplicity, if you have the link, you can post it here and we can just click on it if you have the 1-minute video link. And
Okay, so
after,
1 minute already.
all right, after we watch the 1-minute videos, Philip will explain what are the next steps, how they can support the winners, and also maybe also the other projects.
Yep.
Yeah.
So I'm going to be starting with Vaxio. Event Connect, should I share your video? I don't. Be starting with Vaxio.
Okay. I sent the link for short
Okay, so I'll be
video.
starting with Event Connect then. Thank you very much. So I'm sharing the screen. Sorry. Please, can you see my screen? Can you confirm?
Yeah, there might not be a sound to the video, I think.
Yeah, so this video doesn't have a sound.
Yep. But you can see, I guess, the basic
Yeah,
quick
Emmanuel,
walkthrough is
it's
very,
just
very
1
quick.
minute. Yeah, it's too quick. Can you do it like normal speed? Yeah.
Yeah, but you can see here the FOBs you can create for every event. And then actually publishing the events.
So you can ask for a drop. Then there's a
Yeah, here's your POAP NFTs. And then here as a student, you can choose to participate in the events. And the POAPs, of course,
Super
also live
cool.
on Gnosis chain.
We could use that in Ecolens, for our trainings.
True.
yes. So here we have it that's all for Event Connect. I'll be moving to Vaxio, which is the next project.
Hello, my name is Anato Springs and I want to walk you through the Vexio. Vexio is a protocol that aims to solve the largest challenge in the
Can you hear the sound?
EVM compatible blockchain, and that is
Yes, we
privacy.
can.
This is how a normal transaction looks like on the EVM blockchain. This is how Vexio is trying to use stealth addresses to be able to address the privacy issues, so you don't have to reveal your private information when you're sending a transaction. And this is the team behind Vexio. So let me walk you through all the parts of Vexio. So this is the Vexio ID, where you can generate IDs to send to people to be able to receive. So to receive funds, copy the ID, paste it on where you want to receive the ID from. Paste the amount you want to receive and hit send to send funds. It's sending. It's successfully sent. So when you hover over to receive, you see the amount you'll be able to send. Click on the button. It will ask you which wallet you want to withdraw. Select the wallet and hit on send. It will start sending. The transaction is now successful. The transaction is successful. And you can go over to spend and be able to spend your Vexio ID with the Gnosis powered pay card. Next thing I want to show you is the Vexio AI. So the Vexio AI is where you can ask the AI about anything on Vexio blockchain and it will give you the answer.
Okay, so that was just a quick overview of Vexio protocol, and we're going to the winner, which is RainFi. Yeah.
Hi, welcome to RainFi, the dApp that helps users hedge against inflation and impulse spending. RainFi integrates with Monerium API to help users save their euros, dollar, or pounds on the Gnosis blockchain. After authentication, I can save my money on chain with RainFi. To start my savings journey, I select the currency, enter the amount, enter the duration, approve RainFi to spend that currency, and then once that is approved, I can then save that currency on chain using RainFi. You can see my selected amount is locked in RainFi for that duration. Once it elapses, I can break my piggy. This moves my money from RainFi back to my wallet. If I break my piggy before duration, RainFi charges me a 5% penalty fee. Once that is successful, my money is transferred from RainFi back to my wallet and I can view my previous savings trend. I have earned some Rain tokens by saving on-chain. Rain token is RainFi's utility token that unlocks more features like on-chain lending. The more you save, the higher you earn. Thanks for watching.
Hey guys, and there we have the videos for the winner. I'm gonna stop sharing now. So a quick statistics for this project. So while we're subdividing it to categories, so we had the ones that fitted to the DeFi categories, the projects that fitted to the NFT categories, and also the project that fits into the social good. I would use the word the social good category. And out of all these projects, 5 of these projects fitted into the DeFi category. We also had 5 that were also in the NFT also category, and we have the other ones in the social good category. I could list them. We had Gnosis Invest on that DeFi. We had Vexio protocol also on the DeFi category, Paywall on the DeFi category, RainFi on the DeFi category, and Iodine on the DeFi category. And for the NFTs, we had Event Connect on the NFT category, NFT Orb, NFT Factory, G-Art, and also AI NFT. And for social good, we had PEP, we had Resolve Technologies, we had Malaflix, and also Gnosis Energy. So for the top 3, the third runner-up, second runner-up, I would say, came from the NFT category. First runner-up from the DeFi category, and also the winner also came from the DeFi category. And I would say thumbs up to all the developers. Thank you for putting in the work, and thank you for building on the Gnosis chain. And also would like to hear from Phillips, what are further plans you have for hackers who participated in this hackathon?
Yep, sure. So I think I have specific feedback for the winners. Again, we have a couple of projects we would like to contact as well, and feel free to reach out anyone. We are in the techFiesta Telegram group. Reach out to us if you have any questions. And usually our hackathon projects, they would ask about how to build on Gnosis, how to continue to build, how to connect to people, right? So if you build on Monerium, maybe you're interested in connecting to Monerium, or you would like to talk to the Gnosis Safe team if you have some thoughts about account abstraction and would like to integrate, or would like to apply a grant with them, for example, right? There's many possibilities, and usually, like, if you have any questions, reach out to us in the group. That's Arseny, Chantal, me. And then next, I guess, very specifically to the 3 winners, maybe we can take those as an example of what we usually tell hackathon participants. And I made some notes for BrainFi, first place winner of our bounty. They already added a couple of points they would like to work on next, right? So a couple of features. So they talked about integrating DeFi, or a feature about for utility bill settlement, their own token, and maybe an integration of like a liquidity pool or an exchange. I guess if your users would like to exchange those, like the tokens, Monerium tokens, you could take a look at CowSwap on Gnosis chain. But there's also Balancer and Curve, for example. And then you also talked about smart wallets. I guess that might be, for example, Gnosis Safe or Safe for gasless transactions. That might be very interesting, and feel free to talk to us about that as well. I think in general, you, besides contacting us and asking your questions, and we can see where we can help. I guess for all projects, the feedback is to get feedback from early users, get some early users and see what they like and what they would like to have with your project, and how to use your product. And then I guess for the next winner, we had Works Your Protocol. And besides the usual feedback of feel free to reach out to us, or we will reach out to us, we will reach out to you anyways. And also to get early user feedback as a first step on if you would like to continue this project, or just see what people like to have. You also mentioned some new features you would like to implement, and I guess that's interesting. So like ERC20 support, token support, deploying on mainnet, enabling cross-chain transactions, some gas optimization, and so on. Notifications. I think that's interesting and probably important to get feedback on from early users. And other than that, please, let's talk after this hackathon. And then for the last project, I think Maria already mentioned for Event Connect, right? It might be interesting to see how to work together with techFiesta and try it out. And I think it's probably at least an early user to get some feedback. A lot of the projects we have, the hackathon projects, for hackathons we sponsor, the biggest benefit they have is probably to get to know people. They might not build out the hackathon project they worked on this time, but they might join another hackathon and they might find another idea. But in the end, the people you work with, you will get to know new people, and you get to know the people you work with, and they might be the co-founders you work with, or just the people you work with on your next project, right? And I think that's pretty much it from feedback. Again, we will reach out to the winners, and if anybody has any questions, feel free to reach out to us in the groups. And back to you.
Yeah, thank you very much, Philip. Maria.
Yes, I want to thank Gnosis Chain for sponsoring this hackathon. It was a pleasure working with you, and I hope we can do this again soon, maybe in 2024. I want to thank everyone that participated for your work and your time that you have invested. And if you plan to continue working on your projects, good luck to you. We are always here to help with whatever we can. And I wish everyone a lot of luck for the future. It was an amazing experience. I'm very, very happy to see the outcome. Yeah, and I hope to see you soon in our trainings or in another hackathon, whatever you want to do in the future.
Yeah, And also to add, guys, which is very, very important, and I think Philip mentioned that you might not have won, might not have been the first, second, or the third, winner for the hackathon, but then you could reach out to the Gnosis team and further improve your project, and that way you're moving from just hacking to actually building an MVP. And trust me, it could be the next revolutionary company that you are building already. So please don't lose sight of the fact that your project is actually needed out there. You might be in your dorm, you might be building it in your dormitory and be thinking, oh yeah, I don't know if this is going to be relevant. But trust me, with the right mentorship and the right people, you can build the next big thing. So yeah, that was just something I would just want to put out there for everyone developing.
Thank you, everyone, and have a great evening.
Have a great day. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you, everyone.